I'm Jill from Ups and Daisies. Hobby Lobby just so happened to have this really cool America sign that's round. So I am going to be making a really cool summer sign door hanger. And this did have staples on the back with some, like, you know, twine. I just painted it all just so I could have a base coat, and I put my top coat on. I got Meltdown on here. I've got a coat of it so it's dried, because this is like birch wood and it will suck up paint quite readily. And I have got every color under the sun here, you guys. I've got my watermelon rind, sour apple, key lime, saltwater taffy, dreamsicle, violet lemonade, and some candy apple. We're gonna do something summery and fun. And I think I might put some Meltdown on it when we get to it. I've got mud pie and licorice over here too. I want to start down here, and I'm starting with my darkest greenish blue watermelon rind because I am making a watermelon. Some watermelon rind right here, and over here I've got my sour apple right here, and I've got my key lime pie right here. Okay, look at this. Are these colors incredible? This is my magical chalk paint. I've got watermelon rind, my right there sour apple, and my key lime pie. So let's get started on my watermelon. I'm very excited. So I want big watermelon and watermelon rind. How like, of course you have to have watermelon rind when you're painting a watermelon, right? I've got my watermelon rind right here. If you want, you can, like, if you wanted like solid lines, hit it, dry it. This paint is water activated, so just touching paint with other paint will reactivate it. So drying it gives you a little bit of a head start, but I don't need a head start because I'm just, again, I'm gonna let these blend. Gorgeous. I haven't decided how far up. You know, watermelon is like a small rind and most of it is like watermelon. Maybe I'll add a little bit more here. Blend it through. I'm not sure. I don't think I want that. I think I'm going to cover that up. I don't think I need as much of that here. Oh my God, isn't that gorgeous? The key lime. I thought sour apple was always my favorite, but key lime might be. Loving these colors. Oh, see? Good thing I put a mat down. Good thing I got a mat down. Okay, I think I want to bring my green up a little, but not right there. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna like take my little towel that I wipe, my water girl, and I am actually going to like come back here and just erase this little bit, because you know the watermelon rind, it's really dark and then you get to that white center, so I think I want to keep it a little bit lighter there. I'm gonna come back with my watermelon rind. Lower spot in dark, and then let these blend in. That is perfect. Cool. I kind of like that. I like it a lot. Okay, so in here I have got, again, my candy apple. This is my violet lemonade. This is gonna be my watermelon up here, and I'm gonna have it variegated down. I think I might need a little bit more of violet lemonade. Love me violet lemonade. I'm gonna use a little bit of dreamsicle. A little bit. And then saltwater taffy, because on a watermelon, you know, there's that like the white pithy spot. So I'm gonna need a break between all the pinks and the greens. I'm gonna start at the top here. going with the candy apple, and I am going right over this twine so that it's like not even part of it. Dab, 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 dab. Dab, 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 dab. You know, I have no idea how much space I need, so I think I'm just gonna be liberal with the candy apple red. Oh, guys, this is just absolutely the cutest. You know, I don't know why I'm using my little turquoise Irish brush when I do have this big one. I'm going to use this one for this section. Yeah, I've got brushes all over. I don't know why I always grab a smaller one when I need a bigger one. Yeah, I think all of these chunks can be a little bit bigger. This dreamsicle needs to be bigger. Watermelons. Oh my gosh. Look at the blend between the dreamsicle and the violet lemonade. It's so gorgeous. So gorgeous. Gorge. Okay, now we need to start blending these so that they all blend together. I'm using the same brush. I'm going to put more of the candy apple on here. I'm going to make sure I get it, behind the twine. Get it behind the twine, there. I'm just going over the twine because this is the back, or now the front. Guys, look at these colors. Have you ever seen anything more gorgeous ever? I think I need to bring the darker ones down just a hair more. Just a hair more. Because, you know, on a watermelon you have like rind and then just a little bit of pith and then watermelon. But I am a pink girl, so I like a lot of pink. I do like pink. Now, if in an area that you are playing around with has slowly started to dry, you can just get your mister, you know, just give it a little spritz. This is still really good and liquid all through here. I am going to grab the brush that has the dreamsicle on it. I'm picking up my saltwater taffy to come and just kiss against the key lime pie. Love my pinks. Oh my God, what do you guys think? Looking like a watermelon. Getting close. Okay, now again, down here where the saltwater taffy is, I do want to reactivate my, I'm gonna grab a different brush. Oh, perfect. I got some sour apple right here. And I don't want to get into the pink, but I do want to get this white and this green. There. Blended in so that it gives out a good rind coloring. It's like the part of the watermelon you're like, oh, it's so good, and then all of a sudden you're like, ooh, don't eat that part. I decided to go with Hello Summer. Mr. Stipley rolling into town. I think I'm going to do the letters in licorice and then the seeds in mud pie. So I've got just a dollop of my licorice, and I'm swirling around. Now, because again, this thing kind of got mutilated, I'm going to hold it down in several spots while I swirl on my stencil. You don't need your first coat to be thick. You just want, you know, a coating. You want to build up your colors. I'm just going to make that one of my seeds. Maybe I need a smaller. Yes, you will help. You'll be back up. Liner, filler. Oh, we will put like a little tiny white shadow on these. Look at that watermelon seed. Okay, if the sun is coming in one direction, we want to put all of the marks on the same side. So I'm just going to turn it this way and come around like this. Sun will be on that side. It'll be fine. Just making a little whoop. Look at that. And just another little whoop. They don't have to be perfect. It's just a little whoop, maybe a little bigger. Whoop, there. I will put force field on it. That way I know it will be solid, tough. It can get rained on for days.